So this camera here, as you can see, it's broken. The tabs here, this part and this part. This is a different part that I got. This one is brand new. You see how the tabs on this part are fine, but on this one it's not. You can see it, this part is broken and this part is broken. So we'll have to replace this. First, what we do is you press down here. Take that part out. You push this down here. You gotta be really careful here. Okay. Press down. That part is broken right there. That one's fine, but this one is broken. The bottom part seemed to be okay. That tab is fine. That tab is fine. Okay, so next we got the new one, which is this one. Everything looks good on this one. Alright, so very easy. You clip this on, you hear the click, it's all the way in. Same thing here, you press that in, click, and then what you do is you first go up like that so the tabs are in there. And that's it. And you're done. Alright, so once the camera's installed, you must do this. So when the camera's installed, your camera will not work. It's going to be a black screen, so when you try to go, it's going to be black screen. I already did this before, so mine is good. But yours will not work. It's going to go like a spinning wheel. Also, if you tap on your camera here, both cameras or the one you're replacing will not work. You have to make sure that you do this. So you go here to car, you go to services, you scroll down where it says camera calibration, you tap on that. It's going to tell you that it's going to clear your autopilot. That's fine. You're going to say clear calibration. Now when you do this, it's not going to work. Your autopilot will not work for at least maybe 20 miles because it has to recalibrate itself. So don't be alarmed, that's normal. It kind of freaked me out the first time when I did it, but you should be okay, so don't worry about that. Once that's done, your camera will work and you should be all set. All right, thanks for watching.